Every morning you reach for your phone, unlocking a world of possibilities. From ordering breakfast to catching up on messages, your daily routine is powered by dozens of apps. These apps aren't just icons, they're gateways to convenience, entertainment, and connection. But have you ever wondered what makes all this possible? Behind every tap and swipe, there's a team of developers solving problems, designing interfaces, and building systems that seamlessly fit into your life. Today, we'll explore how mobile app development shapes the way you live, work, and play. Most people never think about the invisible power behind their favorite apps. Whether you're scrolling social media, booking a ride, or transferring money, every action is made possible by developers working behind the scenes. These experts use code, design, and systems to solve real-world problems, making your phone an essential tool for modern living. Mobile app development is the engine that drives this transformation, connecting you to services, information, and people in ways that were unimaginable just a decade ago. Mobile app development is the process of creating applications specifically for smartphones and tablets. It's a blend of creativity and technical skill, combining programming languages, frameworks, servers, databases, and user interface design. Developers build apps for two main operating systems: iOS, which powers Apple devices like the iPhone and iPad, and Android, which runs on phones from Samsung, OnePlus, Xiaomi, Realme, and many others. While the idea seems simple, make an app that works, the execution is complex, requiring careful planning and collaboration. World of mobile app development is split into two main camps, iOS and Android. Each has its own tools, languages, and philosophies. iOS apps are built mainly using Swift and Xcode, with Apple controlling both hardware and software. This results in optimized performance and strong security, but also means strict App Store rules and less customization. Android apps, on the other hand, are built with Kotlin, Java, and Android Studio. Android dominates globally, offering flexibility and a massive user base, but faces challenges like device fragmentation and performance inconsistencies. iOS development stands out for its optimized performance and strong security. Apple's control over both hardware and software ensures that apps run smoothly across devices. Testing is easier, and users enjoy consistent experiences. However, developers face strict App Store rules and must work within the expensive Apple ecosystem. Customization is limited, but the benefits of reliability and security make iOS a popular choice for many high-end apps. While iOS offers many advantages, developers must navigate strict App Store guidelines and the costly Apple ecosystem. Customization options are limited, making it harder to create unique experiences. Despite these challenges, iOS remains a top platform for apps that require reliability, security, and smooth performance. Examples like FaceTime and iMessage showcase the power of iOS development, providing seamless communication and connectivity. Android development is all about flexibility and reach. With Kotlin, Java, and Android Studio, developers can build apps for thousands of device types. Android's massive user base means your app can reach people all over the world. Publishing is easier and customization options are plentiful. This makes Android a great choice for apps that need to adapt to different markets and user needs. Despite its advantages, Android development comes with its own set of challenges. Device fragmentation means apps must work on thousands of different phones, each with unique screen sizes and hardware. Performance can be inconsistent, and testing is more complex. Still, Android's flexibility and global dominance make it a powerful platform for developers looking to reach a wide audience. Apps like Google Maps and YouTube demonstrate the versatility of Android development. Native apps are built separately for each platform, one version for iOS and another for Android. This approach delivers the best performance, smooth animations, and full access to hardware features. However, it's more expensive and takes longer to develop. High-end gaming apps often use native development to ensure top-notch graphics and responsiveness. If you want the best possible experience, native apps are the way to go. Cross-platform apps are designed to work on both iOS and Android using a single codebase. This saves time and money, allowing developers to reach more users with less effort. However, performance may not match native apps and access to hardware features can be limited. Popular frameworks like React Native and Flutter make cross-platform development easier, helping startups and businesses launch apps quickly. Deciding between native and cross-platform development depends on your goals. If you need top performance and full hardware access, native is best. For faster development and broader reach, cross-platform is ideal. Developers weigh factors like budget, timeline, and user experience before choosing the right approach. Understanding these options helps you appreciate the complexity behind every app you use. Mobile app development relies on programming languages like Swift for iOS and Kotlin or Java for Android. These languages provide the foundation for building powerful, responsive apps. Developers choose languages based on platform requirements, performance needs, and their own expertise. The right language can make development faster, easier, and more reliable. Frameworks and development tools are essential for building mobile apps. iOS developers use Xcode, while Android developers rely on Android Studio. Cross-platform frameworks like React Native and Flutter simplify the process, allowing code to be reused across platforms. These tools help developers write, test, and debug apps efficiently, turning ideas into reality. User interface design is a critical part of mobile app development. Developers and designers work together to create layouts, icons, and navigation that are intuitive and visually appealing. Good UI design makes apps easy to use and enjoyable, encouraging users to return again and again. Every detail, from color schemes to button placement, affects how you interact with your apps. Behind every app is a network of servers and databases storing information, processing requests, and keeping everything running smoothly. Whether you're sending a message or checking your bank balance, servers handle the heavy lifting. Developers build secure, scalable systems to ensure your data is safe and accessible whenever you need it. The App Store and Google Play are the gateways to mobile apps. Developers must follow strict guidelines to publish their apps, ensuring quality and security. These platforms make it easy for users to discover, download, and update apps, creating a vibrant ecosystem that supports innovation and growth. Security is a top priority in mobile app development. Developers implement encryption, authentication, and other safeguards to protect your data. iOS is known for strong security, while Android offers flexibility but requires careful management. Keeping your information safe is essential for building trust and ensuring a positive user experience. Performance optimization is key to delivering fast, responsive apps. Developers test and tweak code to ensure smooth animations, quick loading times, and efficient battery usage. iOS devices benefit from Apple's hardware-software integration, while Android developers must account for a wide range of devices. The goal is always to provide the best possible experience for users. Testing and quality assurance ensure that apps work as intended. Developers use automated tests, manual checks, and real-world scenarios to find and fix bugs. iOS testing is easier due to fewer device types, while Android requires more extensive testing. Quality assurance is vital for delivering reliable, user-friendly apps. Publishing an app involves submitting it to the App Store or Google Play, following guidelines and waiting for approval. Developers prepare screenshots, descriptions, and marketing materials to attract users. Once published, apps can be updated and improved based on feedback and analytics. App updates are essential for fixing bugs, adding features, and improving performance. Developers release updates regularly, responding to user feedback and changing technology. Keeping apps up to date ensures a better experience and keeps users engaged. User feedback is a valuable resource for developers. Reviews, ratings, and comments help identify issues and suggest improvements. Developers listen to users, making changes that enhance the app's usability and satisfaction. Engaging with feedback builds trust and loyalty. Monetization is how developers earn revenue from their apps. Common strategies include in-app purchases, subscriptions, ads, and premium features. Developers choose methods based on their audience and app type, balancing profitability with user experience. App analytics track user behavior, performance, and engagement. Developers use analytics to understand how people use their apps, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. This information helps improve features, fix problems, and optimize marketing. Personalization makes apps more relevant and engaging. Developers use data to customize content, recommendations, and notifications. Personalized experiences increase satisfaction and encourage users to spend more time in the app. Notifications keep users informed and engaged. Developers design notifications to be timely, relevant, and helpful. Too many notifications can be annoying, so finding the right balance is important for maintaining user satisfaction. Accessibility ensures that apps can be used by everyone, including people with disabilities. Developers add features like voice commands, screen readers, and adjustable text sizes. Making apps accessible expands their reach and demonstrates social responsibility. Apps come in many categories, from social media and entertainment to productivity and finance. Each category has unique requirements and challenges. Developers tailor their approach to fit the needs of their target audience, ensuring the app delivers value and meets expectations. Social media apps connect people, share stories, and build communities. Developers focus on real-time communication, privacy, and engaging features. Popular examples include Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, each offering unique ways to interact and express yourself. Entertainment apps provide music, videos, games, and more. Developers prioritize performance, content delivery, and user engagement. Examples like YouTube and Spotify show how apps can transform leisure time, offering endless options for fun and relaxation. Productivity apps help you organize tasks, manage time, and stay focused. Developers design features like reminders, calendars, and collaboration tools. These apps boost efficiency and make it easier to achieve your goals, whether at work or home. Finance apps let you track spending, transfer money, and manage investments. Security and reliability are top priorities for developers. Apps like PayPal and Venmo make financial transactions easy and safe, helping users stay in control of their money. E-commerce apps enable shopping from anywhere. Developers focus on secure payments, product discovery, and user-friendly interfaces. Apps like Amazon and eBay make it easy to browse, buy, and track orders, revolutionizing the way people shop. Health and fitness apps track workouts, monitor progress, and provide motivation. Developers integrate sensors, data analysis, and personalized plans. Apps like Fitbit and MyFitnessPal help users stay healthy and reach their fitness goals. Travel apps simplify booking, navigation, and exploration. Developers build features like maps, reviews, and real-time updates. Apps such as Airbnb and Google Maps make travel easier, helping users discover new places and experiences. Education apps provide learning resources, courses, and interactive tools. Developers focus on accessibility, engagement, and content quality. Apps like Duolingo and Khan Academy make learning fun and accessible, empowering users to expand their knowledge. Communication apps enable messaging, video calls, and collaboration. Developers prioritize reliability, speed, and privacy. Apps like WhatsApp and Zoom keep people connected, whether for work or personal relationships. Gaming apps deliver immersive experiences and entertainment. Developers focus on graphics, performance, and gameplay mechanics. High-end games often use native development for the best possible experience, pushing the limits of mobile technology. App development is a team effort involving designers, developers, testers, and project managers. Collaboration is key to turning ideas into successful apps. Each team member brings unique skills, ensuring the app meets user needs and business goals. Agile development is a popular approach for building apps. Teams work in short cycles, releasing updates and improvements quickly. Agile methods encourage flexibility, collaboration, and continuous learning, helping developers respond to changing needs. Cloud integration allows apps to store data, sync across devices, and scale easily. Developers use cloud services to improve reliability and performance. Apps like Dropbox and Google Drive rely on cloud technology to deliver seamless experiences. The future of mobile app development is bright, with new technologies like artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and 5G transforming possibilities. Developers are constantly learning and adapting, creating apps that are smarter, faster, and more connected than ever. Mobile app development has changed the way we live, work, and play. Apps make everyday tasks easier, connect us to people and services, and provide endless entertainment. The convenience and power of apps are now an essential part of modern life. Every app you use is the result of countless hours of planning, coding, testing, and refining. Developers solve problems, innovate, and push boundaries to deliver seamless experiences. Understanding the process behind app development helps you appreciate the technology that shapes your daily life. Mobile app development is the invisible force powering your daily routine. From ordering food to connecting with friends, every app is a product of creativity, technical skill, and teamwork. As technology evolves, apps will continue to shape our lives in new and exciting ways. Next time you unlock your phone, remember the world of innovation working quietly in your pocket.